Namaste everyone, I am Priyanka and today we have a quick yoga flow designed for a busy woman at home. This practice is perfect for those short on time but want to keep their body and mind healthy. Let's divine in and make time for well-being. We will start with cat and cow stretch. Come in tabletop position. Begin on your hands and knees, wrist under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back and lift your head. Look up for cow pose. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin to your chest for cat pose. Flow with your breath and move smoothly and slowly. Inhale, arch your back and look up. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. Continue for 20 seconds. This asana increases the flexibility and mobility in the spine. It also releases the tension from your back and from your neck. Now come to starting position. From tabletop position, tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back. We are doing Adho Mukh Svanasana, that is downward facing dog. Your hands shoulder width apart, feet hip width apart. Press your palm and lengthen your spine. You can bend your knees if needed. It's okay if your heels are not touching the ground. It's totally fine. But keep in your mind, lengthen your spine. Stay in this asana for 20 more seconds. This asana strengthens the arms, your shoulders and legs. It also gives a good stretch to your calf muscles, hamstring and spine. Now inhale and come up. Stand on your mat. Next we will do Veerbhadrasana 2, that is warrior pose 2. Start the warrior pose 2 by standing in a mountain pose, that is Tadasana. Your navel in the front. Exhale and spread your legs around 3 to 4 feet wide. Move your right toe in an angle of 90 degrees. Inhale deeply and raise your arms to your shoulder level. Breathe out deeply and bend your right knee. Keep breathing and hold this asana for 20 seconds while keeping your back straight. Keep breathing. Exhale and straighten your knee. Bring your hands down. Straighten your toes and return to the starting position. Repeat Veerbhadrasana 2 on the other side. Move your left toe in an angle of 90 degrees. Turn your neck toward your left side and fix your gaze. Inhale deeply and raise your arms to your shoulder level. Your palm must be facing ground. Breathe out deeply and bend your left knee. Hold this asana for 20 seconds. Keep breathing. This asana increases the stamina and endurance. It will also stimulate healthy digestion. It also strengthens and stretches the leg and ankles. Exhale and straighten your knees. Bring your hands down. Straighten your toe and return to the starting position. Great. You did well. Next, we will do Trikona Asana, that is triangle pose. Keep distance between your legs. Turn your right foot to right side. Straighten your right leg. Keep your navel in the front. Inhale. Lift your both arms sideways up till the level of your shoulder. Breathe out and slowly bend sideways onto your right, placing the fingers of your right hand just behind the right foot. You can place it over your ankle also. Your left arm should line up straight with your right arm. Look at your left hand. Keep breathing. Stay in this asana for 20 seconds. Breathe in and slowly come up. Now repeat the same step on the left side. Turn your left foot to left side. Straighten your left leg. Keep your navel in the front. Breathe out and slowly bend sideways into your left, placing your fingers on your left hand just behind the left foot, or you can just touch your ankle also. Your right arm should be lined up straight with your left arm and look at your right hand. Stay in this asana for 20 seconds. This will open the chest and shoulders. It will give a good stretch to your hamstring, groin region, and to your hips. Now breathe in and slowly come up. Next we will do Vrikshasana, that is tree pose. Now both the feet together. Stand with your feet together. Shift your weight on your left foot. Place your right foot on the top of your left thigh or your calf muscle. Inhale and raise your arms overhead. Keep your elbows straight. Stay there for 20 seconds. Gaze at one point. Keep breathing. Avoid placing your foot on your knees. Now, exhale. Take your arms and legs down. Now switch to left side. Shift your weight on your right foot. Place your left foot on the top of the right thigh or to your calf muscles. Inhale and raise your arms overhead. Keep your elbows straight. Keep breathing and stay in this asana for another 20 seconds. This asana improves the balance and stability. It strengthens the legs and core muscle. It enhances the focus and concentration. Now exhale. Take your arms and legs down. Great, you did well. Now sit comfortably on your mat. Next we are going to do Paschimottanasana. Sit with both legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale and raise your both arms up. Go forward from your hips and try to touch your hand onto your feet or to your shin bone. Keep breathing. Hold this asana for 20 seconds. Look straight. Your shoulders should be relaxed. This asana will give a good stretch to your spine, hamstring and your calf muscle. It also calms the mind and release the tension and stress. Now inhale and come up. Take your both arms down. Next we will do Baddha Konasana, that is butterfly pose. Bring the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to drop out to the sides. Hold your foot or your ankle with your hands. Lengthen your spine. Keep breathing. Stay there for 20 seconds. This asana opens the hips and groin. It stimulates the abdominal organs and improves the digestion also. Now release your hand and relax. Next we will do Setu Bandhasana, that is bridge pose. For Setu Bandhasana, Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet hip width apart. Press your feet into the mat and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Interlace your fingers under your back. Stay there for 20 seconds. This asana will strengthen your back, your glutes and legs, and it also good for your thyroid gland. Keep breathing. Now relax. Take your hips down. Now next, join both your sole of the feet together. Now we are in Supta Baddha Konasana. Keep your knees sideways. Stay there for 20 seconds. Keep breathing. This is Supta Baddha Konasana. This is very good for your pelvis health. It's okay if your sole of feet is not near to your body. It's totally fine. Just touch your sole of your feet and relax. You can keep the pillow below your knees also. It's totally fine. Great. Next asana is Pavan Muktasana. For Pavan Muktasana, bend your both knees and hug your knees. Now try to lift your head and try to touch your chin to your knees. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Keep breathing. Stay there for 20 seconds. This asana is very good for your abdomen area. This pose applies gentle pressure to your abdomen, helping to release trapped gas, and it also helps in relieving the bloating and cramps. Great. Now last asana is Shavasana. That is our relaxing pose. Extend your legs and arms comfortably on the mat. Close your eyes and relax your entire body. Stay in this asana for a few minutes. Focus on your breath. You can stay in this asana for 3 to 5 minutes also. Keep breathing. Focus on your breath. This asana will reduce stress and anxiety. It also promotes relaxation and rejuvenation. Keep breathing, everyone. Now slowly move your fingers of your hands and your legs, both the feet together. Both the arms over your head. Interlace your fingers. Now turn towards the right side and sit comfortably. Open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face.
Well done, everyone. You have completed our quick yoga flow for women at home. Remember, taking even a few moments for yourself can make a world of difference. If you enjoy this practice, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more yoga sessions. Keep practice. Until next time, take care and Namaste.